Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. We are at the Cloud Expo 2011 in Santa Clara, California, and on our program is Pat Walsh, who's the CMO of Talend. And Pat, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So let's start out, for those people who may not be familiar with your company, just going through an overview.
Sure. We're an open source integration company. We began with data integration, really fundamentally changing the ETL market by offering easy to adopt technology, easy to use technology, and of course with the open source model, readily available for little to no cost to download and make use of. And we've expanded beyond that with data management capabilities, master data management, data quality products, and more recently we added Enterprise Service Bus. So we've now expanded beyond just data integration into application integration. So it's a full-fledged application integration, data integration platform, now playing in the cloud.
That's awesome. So typical customers, does it vary by size, or are there any specific industries?
All kinds of industries, and it's really due to the fact that our customers are users and developers taking our technology, readily available open source, downloading it, playing with it, using it, and then seeing that it's really beneficial to their organization and company and becoming customers. We'll support them. We have commercial offerings, open core offerings that kind of expand across use across a team or management capabilities and such. So it really spans the spectrum. If you look, we have millions of downloads, literally over 10 million downloads right now. We have hundreds of thousands of users of the technology, and we have over 2,500 paying customers today.
That's a good number.
Yeah, so it's a very broad-based set of users spanning all kinds of vertical industries today.
And how old is the company?
Founded in 2005, and we were founded in Paris, France, expanded over here shortly thereafter into the US, and we're now dual headquartered, Los Altos, California, and Paris, Suresnes, France.
That's great. So from a competitive standpoint, what are you seeing in the market? Are things changing? It's the same?
Yeah, we're seeing a convergence actually, and that really kind of spurred us on to kind of combining the technologies of the application integration domain with the data management domain. And we're seeing that many competitors still treat those as quite separate, and we're differentiating ourselves by putting a unified platform of technology behind these previously pretty disparate technologies. So for development, deployment, monitoring, management, we have the same set of tools that work across this broad spectrum of technology we offer.
What sorts of trends are in the market in the last few years?
Well, in the last couple of years, we're here at a cloud show. It's undeniable that people are moving things to the cloud, but what we're finding is they're doing so incrementally. So some applications move to the cloud, some remain on-premise. And we're solving the problem whereby people need to deploy into the cloud, but also need to bridge back to those on-premise applications. And one key trend that we're seeing is that people are adopting more web services oriented kind of approaches. REST being a very popular one for the cloud, doesn't really fit the data sources on-premise, so we're addressing those.
What's next?
We believe that the big data push is going to drive people to look at how they can access more structured and unstructured data and use Hadoop clusters to manage it. And then we also see that people are going to look at incorporating cloud-based applications with their traditional apps and finding simpler ways that they can manage across that. So really continuing to push that envelope and make technology that had been, kind of the rare technology that specialized users would have to use, make that more broadly available and easier to use.
Great. Well, as things progress, I hope you come back on the program and tell us about what you're up to.
Love to. Yeah, appreciate the opportunity.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks.